Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. My wife has already taught me how to sew, but I'm not very good at it. So she is here to observe and coach me a little bit more. Do you want to show them what we're doing?
Yeah, so today we've got these pillow cushions from our couch that needs a bit of mending and repair. So we're going to fix some couch cushions.
We have everything set up. Normally, there is a bobbin down here that needs threading, but it is already set up from the last video. So we need to just make sure the top one is good to go. We have our top thread set up down into the machine, both of them coming out correctly with our test run over here, looking pretty good. Going to set everything up on this end to get a nice video of it. Moment of truth. Here is the piece that we are going to fix, and the needle is going right there. Oh, put the foot down. Okay, needle down. Foot pedal. Here we go. Needle up, foot pedal up. All right, let's get the cushion in and see how we did. So far, so good. It's definitely not perfect, but super happy with how it turned out. And I think that's where we fixed. Wait. Yeah, this side definitely looks way better. So this is the area we just worked on with minimal supervision from the wife. Video 131 done.